I wanna try. Elito, what's up, Mutani? Now photo, now you see me, don't see me no more. Trying to catch me, can't catch me no more. You imposters can't be me no more. Helicopter, my baby, my love, can't be me no more. You getting tired? I'm just getting started.
Hey! Thank you. Yes, you do well, I give you thumbs up. DJ Tunde, your hair girl, oh yeah. Baby, oh yeah, they your hair.
In no side, they feel the song.
DJ Jimmy Jack, they learn for where you did.
Yeah.
Humility, they learn for where you did.
These are DJ, the band, they pay them. The band, you like the band song.
Whenever the band come this by, they always
you forget that they were in the play feeling the nigga for one corner, and I say as he did, so just a dance shocky.
If you go like the band, now people they do the kind of things with the band, they don't say the band they.
I like the band they smoke.
The band?
You know they smoke.
Who tell you?
You know they smoke.
Hey, Showman!
The band, you know they smoke. No let me hear you.
Who tell you?
Who you want call? You get food. Call now.
Who tell you the band no smoke?
I beg. No, be the band matter. I can't talk today. I beg. Yes, if you just join us, you know say that BOBOS and you enter. So when you don't see the three of us, you know say we don't come to talk the things. Matter will consign us all together. 1 and 1, 2 and 2. You know say I no fit dey alone. I see them like criminals. Them Shakara.
Yes, my people. We don't come, and we don't come.
Sure.
Yes, God bless Jack Creation, everybody, locomotion style. Pum, brother man, me tell this brother man who go wearing a very body-hugging, fitted shirt. What are you trying to do? Seduce the girls? Because
let me tell you, Ugo, when I was in India, you wear this kind of things. 20 Indian women will run after you.
They rape you.
Maria. Ugo, please, Maria.
Ugo, Maria. Please marry us.
And I will reply. I will marry you. Come and pay my dowry.
In Nigeria, you wear this one. Then you are gay.
You do that guy. You wear engineer brother clothes.
I can tell you, if I be a man of God, before you leave here, this clothes will rip off. It will start tearing. Buttons will lose. You will see. This is not your size. It's my size. You give it to me, I wear it. Everything okay.
You own new shit. I got free shirts.
Don't mind him. No.
Oh, free shirts.
I got free shirts.
Now this kind of guy,
I beg you.
Give this clothes out.
We talked yesterday.
Now
forget the clothes. Yes, that matter we talked yesterday.
This was not saying dream wife.
Yesterday, we talked yesterday. Say this is what they call dream husband or dream wife, dream man, dream woman. Does it exist? Now, I want me we even come look at me in another direction, which is this thing. If you don't marry your dream man or your dream woman, that marriage go work.
Bam.
Okay.
Because really, I want me even look inside that because, like I talked yesterday, say a lot of people. I mean, the other day, and they talk and say a lot of people they put sentiment into things so that they do. No, be so.
Yes.
But basically, it they work.
Well,
I think so, Showman.
Let me say something. You see, because it depends on what you mean by work. If they work, because you see, sometimes most marriages where we feel say they work. No, they really work. Because you see, I don't talk and before say many a times waiting we guys know they marry our dream
real choice.
Our real choice. We they marry our wife. So by the time we marry our wife, we they go outside they crank our property.
Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself.
No, come on.
Speak for yourself.
I think
you understand what I'm saying?
Don't come and be saying we.
No, if we, I mean 2 out of 3.
Too. Do you?
Yeah.
Do you get there's this girl I've somehow.
Who you call the follow speak English? A Jembo girl.
No, but the girl, it's obvious say the girl they live for island. Now why you want this thing now? You know, understand. Continue.
So as I was saying, there's this girl where
who you follow speak English? Now the girl they follow.
Talk to me. Leave first when they live for Ogogobia. I bet more they talk.
My friend Soa Pigeon, what's wrong with you?
Sorry.
Okay, no best.
If you see the girl, now the kind girl I would like to marry. But character,
you know they.
Everything,
But they crank. I know.
But it get what they did. We be say, if you give me chance, this girl too nice. this girl and her mother she be. She don't even be mother to me, even before my children go come. I like Maria. But for shape of the two of them, that one why they cause her, if you make my wife so.
Yes.
You don't get that one.
Get them.
You understand?
That's what I'm saying. So most time, what we define as a dream, this thing, we need to always get that one. So
my brother,
does it work?
Shape is not enough.
Does marriage,
the thing when I want to talk about, I say, if they work
now.
Because see, this is the thing for me. I don't see guy where say he marry babe. And every now and then when him and the babe, they get quarrel. He go to tell the babe, you are fat, you are this, you are that, you are not even sexy, you are not babajike, you don't know how to do this, you don't know how to do that. Share the guy blind before he marry him. Now my own me that. Because I feel say maybe no be the guy choice be that.
No, not be saying no be choice. Some people get fat, hidden fat.
Yes.
Some na baby fat.
No, nearly every woman get them.
No, get some people baby fat, they terrible. After they don't born pikin, that baby fat will come and nothing.
How come you know all these areas like this about?
No. That's why I'm saying when you are wearing red.
No, be about wearing red.
When you are wearing red.
Every time we talk in this bus, I can't always talk about when you born pikin. How many girls don't abort for you?
No,
how many girls don't born for you?
Oh yeah, now you know what people go do, make we just enter street.
No, daddy, wait. Why you always have this guy?
Wait, see, I beg,
baby fat.
I go for street.
When we come back,
we can't talk the baby fat matter. We are coming back. I go for street.
You go walk, oh.
No, you can't walk.
You go walk. You no go walk.
Why you no go walk now? Why you go walk? Where if you say the person we marry no be your dream person, so there is no way you go walk. You no fit walk at all.
It's not chosen by God. Because love, you develop love. Go walk. So far we understand ourselves. Go walk. See person where you want marry. If you get somebody to marry, maybe incidentally, you go walk because with time, two of you go blend. Because love na builder, they builder. The most special thing is money. If money dey, whether you marry one way, no be your dream, you go walk. If you marry your own dream, if money no dey, you no go walk.
Yes, welcome back. Now see BOBOS Yan on top of this place. You know as we dey do am for here for this bar with the Yan Una. Every where they make sense. Yes, the matter what they talk about today because we don't talk about before. Say sure you feel same dream man or dream woman. Did they ever exist? Now we can't carry and send you again today. Can talk say if you don't marry your dream man or your dream woman, that marriage they work. That's the matter what they talk about today. And you know as usual, I do my criminals for inside this bar. And you don't see Agogo for streets now.
Majority.
A lot of people talk say you know they work.
Say you know they work. And I feel agree with them because you see, if you check most of the funny enough, sorry to Adicom. You see, let me tell you why. You see, in Nigeria, Nigeria is a very religious country compared to America, we no send. But if you check divorce rates for Nigeria and America own day more. You know why? Because for Nigeria, yeah, we believe in that thing, say, now God say this one is my wife.
But divorce rate for Nigeria don't high now.
Forget how you never reach.
Compared to that of America.
So if you notice,
it don't increase.
Because of that, you understand? I think can't believe say really if you no marry, because America no said. They just see embarrass. He get cough, he get this one. And he don't marry Kim, don't marry how many husbands.
And the fourth one she did.
Be this one. Then still go see carry marry. But Nigeria, we did very careful. So I believe, and I ask that question, I say, really, ask yourself, all the marriages where you see, when I ask whether it really work, because some men go they claim, say, then they married, but they see they tidy, they crying for outside. So it's not really working. Because nobody really you want to be that.
You know why I say the percentage of the ones where they work, where married person will be their dream person, that dream man or dream woman, where they work, it more than the ones who know they work. Understand? The ones who don't work. You know why they work? You meet this girl, not be your dream girl. But marriage now something we be say, as now they live together, on the closeness, the bond, the interaction, everything. You go make that.
No, I don't. But you know say some men, some men they always get that thing for the back of their mind. Say this one will be my dream woman.
You go white, you don't go take.
No, I get guy.
I agree.
I get guy where we say get am for the back of
make I
mind.
give you instance now. Might give you instance. Mona just wait now.
Yeah.
For instance now, you get this girl. We know be the kind of girl where you like, but she come your place on a day, then I can't go club. You don't realize say once you dey club, no matter how all those girls were sexy, nobody just matter to you. Now that girl where you.
You know why? You know why?
And if you say
you know why?
give
You know why?
And if you say
you know why?
You are used to
I say you know why?
You know
never chop.
use matter.
You never chop.
Some boy don't chop.
Ngawo will say what like you don't can say bude. Your eye open. And they tell you that when you crack your eye open. But I agree. You know what I agree with you? I don't tell this story before for you. I say you see how men dey. If you put one man, maybe wife no day, you can't get one ugly house girl. Make a live with them, then lock them for that maybe 2 or 3 bedroom flat. They say no come out for maybe 3 months.
He go crank.
The first 1 week, he go dey order the girl bring my food for me. She go bring am. 2 weeks the same thing. After he go dey say bring my food. She bring am. After he go say sit down here eat with me, because it's the nature of a man. I hear one another day they say
stay rich like that. So the first
when I hear say they say now some babes I hear talking they say every man needs at least to have sex once in a week. Say if you check on the average, now I come begin say make I even check. What last? I've been crank. And I fair enough, I proved them wrong because it's only like 3 months now where I even think of
you get that slapping machine where
we supposed to bring a couple for here.
Anytime
we don't like,
we go collect slap pass for this.
Don't be lying.
I prove it to you with your word. Categorically that you are lying.
For year.
How can you be lying on air?
You and Ugo, followed by Ugo.
Followed by me.
You see, once you put the machine, once the one say, you, what's your own take? You say, well, I am not like that. I'm in the middle. It's every day now they talk slap because at least sometimes who they talk to.
But we will always do on the fence.
Don't be the fence. Well, the fact.
You always do on the fence.
No.
But your take on this matter now, what do you think?
My take on this matter, I say, and they feel say, now 50-50.
See, the same thing.
If you walk,
you will
if you don't walk,
the same that machine hates to hear 50-50. Because at the end of the day, you feel that the two go
to me, I feel. But seriously,
no, really. To me, I feel saying that 50-50. You know why they talk? No, wait. You know why they talk 50-50?
Why?
Like people ideology different. Some guys go there where we say, they just marry for marriage sake. No be saying that they are dream woman, and then they use them react. Some guys are like that. Then some women we be saying the same thing, now vice versa.
Have you watched that movie? Have you watched that Nigerian movie long time ago? They used to call Living in Bondage.
Of course.
Those early movies.
I saw it
of Liz Benson,
when I was very young.
Now, most Nigerians, most Nigerian couples, they live in bondage. If you know say na shower you like, that's what me I do. If I see a shower today where I fall in love with,
but that shower now your dream woman.
You see,
let me tell you. Yes.
That's a shower girl now your dream woman.
Not because I don't know say she could be a shower. I don't know say that shower girl, but she get everything where they find.
Answer me.
You are not getting my point. Nobody dream say one girl shower as wife.
Can I just throw a little bit into that living in bondage?
Yes.
Most couple where they live in bondage for Nigeria, not be say because their marriage no sweet. Because majority of now the world don't change. Unlike those days, now everybody want to be rich.
Yes.
Everybody dream home now to get a rich home. So once that dream they come to pass, you know, call they be like say whenever they stay for social place, marriage inside house bitterness go the day. True. Understand? True. So because of the love of money, don't kill the sweetness and the fragrance of marriage.
When I want to refer to how people they live, but you see, when you see why Nigerians they actually survive longer in marriage and I say they live in bondage. They don't marry person when it be their dream person. But Nigerians today religious culture that when no one say, oh, my friend now see the husband house, they go say me I never marry, or the man don't like the girl. I know most married men where they live all their lives with their side chick. Their girlfriend. Yeah. They don't even send their wife go America. So most of them, they live with their side chick because that is the one.
You know what's in there? This matter, we don't throw too much on top of ourselves. When we go street, go hear what's in our babes, them gas talk on top of this matter. When we do CC opinion, when we come back, we see they talk the matter, they go, now Bobos and they move. So
your shed on the tear. He don't open.
We are talking and you are listening.
It will not work. You know, go work.
For where? No go work at all. If you want it to work, you will make it to work out.
They do not love each other. So it will not work out.
There is no love at all now. There's no love, there's no attraction, there's no love at first sight. If you find out that he's not your dream man, but you have found yourself inside it, then you can use prayer to work it out. Study the man, know what that man wants. Then both of you will understand yourself. But if you don't want it to work out, then the matter will cease to scatter.
You don't go work because since the world not be in dream, there is no way you go work. Because if you don't marry a person will be your heart, you know go give person that your love. You can just marry that person, maybe say in game money, or maybe you see him appear good, but so far not be your dream man, not be the kind of man where you want. If you want man where go school, but because in get money, if he be businessman, because of money or whatever, you feel fall for him, but later you go change because not be waiting you think. And at the end, not be waiting you expect, now you go come out. So with that, you may change at any time.
Welcome back. When I don't hear every widows or tepus, them guys tell us, but man, I really make sense.
Very well.
I like what
you now until the girls talk before you go, they happy to talk. You always wait. When the girls don't talk, you can't know where you want to stay. Why you happy now? Why you want stay? You want to take the girls side now?
No, because I don't say go walk
since. Talk now.
Oh yeah, take him.
I don't say go walk since. What are you saying?
I was saying talk now. They hear you. The girls say no go walk.
Well, what did you get?
They say no go walk. Most of them say no go walk.
I don't see couple.
Yeah.
This one live.
Yeah.
In fact, the day first time.
Yeah.
The woman marry this man. We be say no be her dream man because when we dey talk, she dey always tell me say.
You won't lie now.
No. She dey always tell me say her dream man. This that you know, but they don't do 25 years for marriage. So what else do you want?
We are not telling you say exceptions.
They don't do 25 years for marriage, and she still they talk about her dream man.
How?
No. They don't do 25 marriage. 25, but she still tell me say her first boyfriend was tall.
Yeah.
So
why she still they go short?
It's no ambiguity.
You say
like Showman.
You see most times we know they tell you say it know they happen. Exceptional cases they because not be everything where you really want now you get now. But when God knows that this is what you need, like me, there's no. I always say one thing: there's no any Nigerian person will go hell. Even God go vex because the sun is already hot. Why go to hell again? So, and if it's even devil for empire, I said, don't even. The last song what happened last week, I think the devil don't even go increase. Don't increase the many times say Nigeria so hot past.
But you don't see reason why I talk.
Hold on.
You don't see
hold on. So what I'm saying is that. Don't forget my thoughts. You just carry me go one side.
No, Nigeria song and this thing. Actually, Nigeria song hot, like especially Meduguri. Let me continue from where I start. Meduguri song. Yeah. From Meduguri to Fire, now 20 naira for boss. You don't know.
And the devil don't hear me. They increase. So I believe, say, you see our hair, back to my thoughts now, say, you see, when God don't look, you know, say, this person, this is what he needs. Like God don't look me, you know, say, there's no how Showman will marry a poor person. Because, really, no. He knows. He knows. He has to give me.
Make I connect you to DJ Kobe.
Don't connect me now. God will connect me to the woman of my dream. In all my life, Shakara, you have dreamt all your life. Have you not dreamt all your life to be a comedian?
Now your dream go.
Are you not a comedian now?
I've been no dream. I just comedy just start. I don't dream.
Now why you don't go last now?
I don't dream this one.
Now why? Will it work? It will not work.
When we see what people talk on social media, go see what they talk on social media.
No, continue the first. I don't want to go this way first.
Make we know what they talk on social media.
But your dream go come from this Dangote daughter because we get one bricklayer there for the man named Dangote. They might sleep. Understand? And he get fine children. So that dream must come to pass. Dangote is Dangote.
Oh,
whether you mode block or you say...
This is the reason why they talk, say this is now 50-50, guys. Now 50-50.
No, baby,
if you walk, if you
no,
walk.
we say they are exceptional cases. But I'll read the truth. I read tweet and Onyeka Uba say, you go send them home to our father's house.
What's that?
Read another thing, I beg.
Aromire Temitokpe Abidin. You will continue with that because it is good for you to pray before you go into marriage. He said that if you marry, you will have to continue in the marriage. That's I told you. Nigerians stay longer in their marriage because they just want to say we don't already marry, we don't marry.
No, we are highly religious.
Yes, and cultural. Jolly Eka say for sure the marriage will work because this person now the one way you don't dream about all your life. When you marry him, you know go one crank up now and use the F word. Ralphie War education. Why not? You know, say they build love now based on waiting day for ground. Like being famous or when you day on top of cash. Money buys love these days. Last one, Uguba Ndubisi Uguba. He no go walk. Is it he no go walk?
You know go walk. Shakara, chill first. Use and do your last one. But do what, don't spoil. When we come back, we go still talk matter. And I see BOBOS here, not go anywhere. A move for because Jim Shineke Yoge. No, there we are coming back. Please, be con and begged. Those of you that manufacture money, I'm begging you.
In fact, you don't even have the right to call your water pure water until we confirm it pure. Just say you are selling sachet water.
Because I don't understand. These days on now, your people are giving us pure water, but at the end of the day,
sachet water
you carry up, you will see so many footballers in the water. What is going on?
For Lekki, what to say Lekki na Lekki? For this Agugi, I buy pure water. In fact, that pure water, I suppose carry and go house, go to use mix my water them as chlorine. Because, you understand? Because if you see the chlorine, my tongue can't get line.
You see why I don't even feel join my talk because I know they drink pure water. First, I never
can't just do away there.
Why you say I mustn't be like you guys? Yes, we drink together in the bar, but I don't drink pure water.
Yeah.
I don't know what I don't like giving.
See this place, what call you? They beg me money.
When we go to Calabar place, you know they drink pure water.
Hello, which one is Calabar?
Leave the place.
You know the top Calabar rice.
Leave that Ugo now. You get time.
What's Calabar?
You don't eat Calabar rice. In a gum now, in a real life, see Yakalaba.
No, but why they do this?
Shift my porridge for me. You be like,
look. I know I'm not the issue. I don't drink pure water, but you guys talk about this pure water problem because really it's not about
your last take. The marriage they work, you know they work.
You know they work.
It they work.
Yes.
For you.
It they work if you don't marry your dream person.
Because if you don't marry your dream person, when she don't they show you love or him they show you love, my brother, leave that.
You're a Nigerian man, that's why.
You go show you work.
It's working. It can work and it cannot work. It's a but most times
it's working.
Most times it's what you need that is given to you by God.
He has taken my side. For me, it is 50-50.
No,
it's gonna
work. Take your side, though.
See, when there's love,
telling me
when there's
love, you are loving the other person.
Make sure you catch our episodes on YouTube.
It will work.
YouTube. You will see us there. Wazobia TV NG on YouTube. You will see us there. And in the day,
Maven. And I don't pay my rent, God the way. There be one for my hand, but God the way. There be one keep my joy, but God the way. I say anything them do not God the way. No, not God the way. No, not God the way, no. I don't change my name to God you. And no more, I don't buy motor, God the way. They say my market no go sell, but God the way.